What's up, guys? It's your boy DreamRocks. Today I am back with another video. I am gonna be unboxing a Lego set. It is a superhero Lego set, and this is my first unboxing a Lego set video. And this one, and in the back, they're like little ones. So I have Spider-Man versus Scorpion, and then there's a Iron Man versus Thor, and then Wolverine versus Magneto, and I have the Spider-Man versus So let's do this. So let's open it. We have instruction right here. Karambe. We have a bag right here. Let me put that to the side. So then we have another instruction, a piece on the white, and then another bag. Okay. And so then let's box it up, or you can see even better now. Right here, and this is a 5-12 76071 Mighty Micro Spider-Man vs. Scorpion. This is 79 pieces. That's cool. I never had one of these before. Let me open this. Then let me open this bag. Hey, Karambe. Which one should we do first? Should we do the Spider-Man one, or should we do this one? Let's do this one. Okay, the instructions. So let me move this. Let me put my scissors away. Kids, don't use scissors unless you have permission from your parents. So they're really sharp. I mean, don't play with scissors. So you get this piece. This will be fast because I know how to build fast. So this will only take me like a couple seconds, not like just a couple minutes or so. It was kind of hard for me to find the pieces. It's very easy. So then we got that. So then we get another piece. And we get this. Look to the screen. This one for Scorpion. Right there. comment down below saying that you're a Lego fan. If you never heard of Legos are like these type of bricks that you get to build with stuff. They're like really fun. So then we need this. Oh yeah, forgot it. We gotta build Scorpion. I'll show you guys the Scorpion in the end of the video when I finish everything else. Where is that piece? Right here. Okay, and then we do that. Okay. There we do that. Okay. Let's go to the other side. I don't know if there might be, if this like takes too long, there might be a second part, but if it doesn't take that long, there's not going to be a second part. Other piece right here. Then this other piece. Then this other piece. Then we get the wheels. Earlier already did the wheels, so this will be fast. With the other one, I already did the wheels too. So then we got that. Like I said earlier, I will show you the minifigure and the car in the end of this video. So wait, what? Oh my god, I did it backward. Okay. Then we do the same thing with the Spider-Man. Oh, wait. Forgot to get the instructions. So we are finished with this one. Now we need this Spider-Man one. I'm gonna open it as fast as I can. So Spidey first. They have like these little legs. The legs are little, but I have Spider-Man that's I have Spider-Man this big on my own. You might have seen in one of my videos showing my Legos. If not, if I didn't do it, I'll show you later. No. So then we do this. And then what's next? What is next? This. What? No. No, no. Don't. Oh. Got scared right there. So then, what other piece do we need? Right there. Then we need this. Put that right there. Then we put almost finished. Then we go to the back. Then we get this. We put that right here. Tell me down below in the comments if I should make another video for Fallout 4. And then I do this. Then last part. Then I put that right here. Then I put that. Yeah. Okay, there. Okay, we're almost finished. We just need a couple of pieces. Okay. We are almost finished, guys. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Then we do this. And this. We just need the wheels now. Let's go in front. And then this, then we got that, and this. So we have finished the Lego set. So then now, I'm gonna show you the Lego figures. So the first one we have is Spider-Man. It came with like a Black Widow. Right here, he's winking his eye. Pretty like it. Spider printing right here, and then another spider printing, little legs. And then we have Scorpion. He's like my favorite out of this Lego set. He has a scorpion right here, little legs. He has a face right here. And then he has like little stuff right here. He has this tail, and underneath his tail, it's a scorpion side. Yeah, that's like, this one is my favorite out of all of them. So then, now we are with the cars. This is Spider-Man's car. Oh, Spider-Man's car. It didn't come with stickers. Then Spider-Man's gonna drive away to Aunt May. Go, Spidey, go! And then we have Scorpion's car right here. Scorpion's car has to be my favorite. They had like these little pictures right here, and then like a little thing. And then right here is all like green. Wait, Spidey, we need to go to Aunt May's for the cookies. Let's go! So that is gonna be it for today's video. I had fun making it. and I hope you had fun watching it. So yeah, guys, see you guys later. Bye.